Hello, teacher. My name is Juan Esteban Vaquero Perez. Workplace well-being, nutrition, exercise, and mental health, and the company will always talk about well-being, and he sees it on the something that goes beyond physical satisfaction. It holds hard to we work with hair, work with moment, and work when feel on daily basis. Ultimately, a healthy employee performs better and feels more motivated. Healthy nutrition and work. The company strongly promotes hydration and the consumption of more natural products. For example, during brands we have access to French-free than health allow because it gives us energy and prevents us from eating tiring in the afternoon. Physical activity. We also attack activity brain the tense horror short periods we have us strange and do some simple exercise. This helps us clear our meetings and reaction. In addition, the company organizes also other games and sport activity we not only improve physical health but also strengthen the bone big week, cooling week, mental health and work environment. The company is stepping to maintain respectful and fair environment which foster creative confidence in the workplace, motivation and tools and opportunities for listening to one another area also prevents helping to reduce stress and create a sense of belonging to a team. Well-being productivity will win we combine good nutrition, physical activity and mental health with activity, creative productivity and better quality of life. Ultimately, healthy employment means a more successful company. Reference